our 1/3 salad bar pan. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 13 inches, a depth of 7 inches, and a height we have 5 3/4 inches tall. This is a 1/3 pan that can be used for any of the sandwich prep tables that we sell through Cooler Depot. The measurements for the interior of the pan will include 5 3/4 inches in length, 5 3/4 inches in height, and a depth of 11.5 inches total. Coming to the side of the pan will be indicators in liters that will indicate how much storage is currently inside the pan, with 1 being the least and 5 the maximum. And again, the indicators will be in liters. Coming to the bottom of the pan will be additional information such as measurements in millimeters, along with the temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit. These can be purchased through Cooler Depot and can be used for any of the cold tables that we sell. For all questions, give us a call. Or visit our website, coolerdepotusa.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.